point now where we're just going to get started with today's session. So welcome along. Are we all ready to paint the town red, paint the Rhondda red, paint Wales red today for Felindra? Give me a big thumbs up if you are. Bodringa Primary, can you hear me? Yeah, where's your thumbs? Get them thumbs up, come on, we want everybody ready for action today, yeah? Okay, so, is everybody wearing something red? Yeah? Whether it's red socks, red t-shirt, like, we've got our Wear Red for Felindra t-shirts on. We are ready to go. So, quick question. Are we all going to be absolute warriors in today's workout? Yeah? Great stuff. So now, some of you may or may not already know, so Wear Red for Felindra is supported by our Welsh rugby players, lots of them. So, therefore, we are going to be practicing today lots of rugby training drills and lots of rugby techniques. So Serkan by here, he is going to be our rugby player for the day. He does play lots of rugby himself as well, so he knows exactly what he's doing. However, we did have a little think and we thought, well, rugby is a competitive sport. So to make it a little bit more interesting, how could we create some friendly competition within today's workout? So, do you want a clue for what we are going to be mixing the rugby with? Okay, I'll give you a clue. Right, here's your first clue. Can you think of a popular Saturday night game show that involves people wearing head guards and red and blue costumes? Shout out some answers. It doesn't matter if it's right or wrong, just shout out some answers if you think you know. I heard a lot of gladiators then, but I also heard some unsure voices. Or maybe some of you didn't want to answer just in case you were wrong. But it's okay, it's fine if you're wrong. So I'll tell you what, just to make double sure, I'll give you a second clue. Here it comes. You ready? Best listening ears on now. Here comes the second clue.
Gladiators!
Yeah! Did we get it right? Let's get our bodies moving from the start. Keep your eyes up for our special guest. There's Lomu, there's the lion. Give Lomu a big wave, everyone. Now show me your best gladiator moves. We want some big muscles on show. We're gonna get nice and low in the legs today, and we are gonna have a whale of a time. Get it? Whales of a time. I thought that was funny anyway. Are you a gladiator? So, we're just gonna get straight into the thick of it, everybody. Let me just stop this music and we are gonna explain the warm-up to you first. Okay, so, as we've guessed, today's theme is going to be rugby player versus gladiator. And you lot get to decide at the end who wins, okay? Is that good with everyone? Give me a thumbs up if we're all okay with that. Yeah, thumbs up all round. Okay, so, before we get moving, really important thing that we've got to do first is... Anybody know? Shout out some answers to me. Just unmute yourself just briefly and give me some answers. What's the first really important thing that we've got to do before we start doing any form of strenuous exercise? Anybody saying warm up? Exactly that. So, we're just going to shuffle back a little bit just so you can see our legs as well. So, we are going to be starting by doing an exercise, which I'm going to show you. But, just to test your listening ears, I am going to stop the music. Now, as soon as you hear the music stop, you have either got to strike a gladiator pose, which is going to be a nice big muscly one. It could be here, it could be which way to the beach. Or you're going to strike a rugby player pose. Is that rugby player or a sumo wrestler? Have you got any more poses than that, Serkan? I think he's a bit stuck. I don't know what kind of rugby player he is today, everyone. But either way, let's press play. We're going to get nice and warm, and then we're really going to get into the action. Are we all excited to go? Yeah, right, let's get some music on. So I think we usually hear this one at some rugby games, yeah? Let's start with some butt kicks. So picking your heels up, kicking your butt. Nice and light on the spot. Keep your chest up, brace your belly. And if you don't want to run today, maybe you've hurt your ankle, then you can just march on the spot. It's entirely up to you. Yeah? As long as we keep moving. Now keep your eyes on Serkan, everyone. Remember what I said at the beginning? You've got to listen for that music to stop and you've got to strike a pose. Oh, is these poses? What are we? Are we a gladiator? Are we a rugby player? Oh, we've got lots of rugby players. Let's have a little look. Who's this one? Who's in the gladiator one there? That's like Saturday Night Fever, but that's a good one. Maybe that's lightning. Right, listening up, waiting for that music to play again. Now this time, instead of butt kicks, we're going to do some side twists. Side to side, warming up our spines, mobilizing through the center of our bodies. Reaching your arm all the way across. And just lifting your heel as you twist. Keep it going, everyone, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Any poses? Oh, some of you are right on it then. Some of you though, them listening ears weren't quite on. We've got to do a bit better than that. I want to see your best gladiator or rugby player pose that you've got, okay? Listening up, music's going to play. And this time we're going to do some lunges. So taking one leg back and then taking the other leg back. Dropping the knee down to the ground. And as you do it, you keep your back heel lifted. And that's what lets you get your knee down nice and low. Can we feel our legs all at the front start to warm up? Oh yeah, got it now, we're getting there. We're acting faster and faster every time. Baldernacht, what's going on? Where's your poses? Right, let's go again. Well done, Marty. I can see you all freezing there. Okay, let's try to warm up the chest. Coming down to the ground, hands wide, and we're going to do some push-ups. So we're going to come down and up. Just back a bit. Down and up. Elbows come out wide. Now brace your belly tight. Keep your chest strong. Do you reckon Lomu could do a push-up? Lomu! Come on over here. See if you can do a push-up. Oh, here we go, everyone. Oh my word, he's even doing it on his toes. See? Now that's how a lion does a push-up. No, Serkan, no, you can't sit down, Lomu. You'll hurt his back. Poor Lomu. Oh, where's your poses? Gladiator? Or rugby player? What are we going for? Ah, you've got to stay committed to the pose, mind. Once you've chosen, you can't change. Let's go again. We got some more warming up to do. So, we've done our push-ups and now we're going to do some squats. So bending deep into the legs, pushing your butt back and keep your chest up. So imagine you're sitting down into a chair. Good, so this gives us nice strong legs, a really strong core. Keep following Circuit, everybody. Are you ready for that music to stop? Either gladiator or rugby player pose. Oh, that was a close one then. Yeah, nice. Loving the poses. Right, let's have another go. So we're going from squats into high knee runs. So we want to start to lift our heart rate. Breathe a little heavier. And from the side, can you get your knees up in line with your hips? Keep it going, team. Come on, everybody. Pause. Oh, where's your pose? Oh, do you know what? Which one do we prefer? Do we prefer the gladiator pose or do we prefer the rugby player pose? I prefer gladiator pose, as you can tell. Okay, let's do a few more. We're going to keep practicing this until I think we are ready to start our competition. So nice and easy on the next round. We want to get our shoulders ready for action. And we're going to take it the other way round. So whether you're doing the gladiator games, you could be doing something like hang tough. You know the one where you go in from one loop to the other and the gladiator's got to catch you up and pull you down. Or you could be shoulder barging or wrestling in rugby. You've got to put these shoulders to good use, get them nice and warm, ready to move. Oh! Oh, who's still moving? Ah, not anymore, that's the way. Everybody's in their position. Right, let's try again. Okay, so let's warm up our core. Come on down to the ground, everybody. So, laying on your backs, bringing your fingers to your temples. Heels close to your butt. And we're just going to lift our shoulders away from the ground, crunching our chin to our chest, and take it back down. And as we do, we feel all our belly muscles tighten. Squeeze up and release. Squeeze up and release. Oh, well done, Nomu. I think Serkin's hurt himself playing a game that's a bit too rough for him. Oh, see, look how kind Nomu is helping him. Right. One more exercise to warm up properly. So let's get doing it. Oh! Have we stopped? Where's our poses? The music stopped. Ah, yeah. Nearly caught you out on that one then. Right, our last one. We're going to stay on the ground, but we're going to come onto our fronts instead. And we're going to do some plank jacks. So, I'll show you. Hands on the floor, on your toes, and that's all you're going to do is jump your feet out and jump them back in. Out, in, out, in. But you've got to keep your butts down and your hips as still as you can. I think Serkin's hips are moving a little bit too much, but yeah, what do you reckon? That's the way, keep it going, Serk. You ready? Last one. Give me your best pose yet. Rugby player or gladiator? What did we go for? Oh! Serkin's teams. Looks like he's going for gladiator to me. Right, are we all feeling nice and warm? Give me a thumbs up if you are. Great stuff. So now, it's game on. It's time to bring that competition. So, we are going to ask if your teachers could very, very kindly please possibly split you into 2 teams. So half of you on one side, half of you on the other side. You don't have to be in a line, you can be anywhere you want, just as long as there's a little bit of a divide so that we know there's 2 clear teams. Now I'm going to leave it up to your teachers to decide which one of your teams are the rugby players and which one of your teams are the gladiators. But see, I know you're all secretly wanting to be on the gladiator team, really. We don't really want to be on the rugby player team, no? Yeah, maybe some of you do. I'll let you have that one. So once you're in your 2 teams, we are going to get ready for action. So here's how it's going to work. We have got 45 seconds of exercise, and then we are going to do 30 seconds of rest while I explain to you what's going to come next. Now, this wouldn't be a true competition without true athlete skills. You didn't have that t-shirt on just now. Everybody, Serkan has got about 7 different rugby t-shirts on that he is changing into throughout every exercise. So maybe as an extra challenge, you can keep an eye out for the different t-shirts that he's wearing as well, yeah? Okay, so gladiators, you are with me. So those of you on the gladiator team, put your hands up. Who's on the gladiator team? Fantastic. We are going to be the winners, gladiators. My team never loses. And who is on the rugby player team? Nah, we don't want you lot to win. We don't want you lot to win. My team are going to win. But, what about Lomu? Lomu, do you want to be on a team? Whose team do you want to be on? Lomu wants to be on a team of his own. He's an individual. Okay, so gladiators, we have to keep these moves authentic to our games. So, finding plenty of space. Gladiators, your first exercise is with me, and you're going to be doing the atmosphere. Now, if you watch Gladiators, you'll know that the atmosphere is the one where they're in that big ball cage, and they've got to run around the studio, and they've got to try and barge the other gladiator off the end of the stage, and that person is the winner. So, to simulate our atmosphere, we're going to be bringing our knees up, and we are going to be pushing our hands overhead just like this, yeah? So those of you on the Gladiators team, that's what you're doing with me first. Rugby player team. Serkan is going to show you what your first exercise is. Now it's throw the ball. So pretend you're holding your rugby ball, and you're going to throw it just like Serkan is. So gladiators, you make sure that you're watching this as well. And rugby players, you've got to try and remember what us gladiators did, because we're going to be switching exercises. So we're both going to have a go at each other's sports, and we're going to see who comes out the winner at the end. So, my question to you is, gladiators, are you ready? Yeah! Rugby players, are you ready? Yeah! Right, here we go. So 45 seconds of work You're supposed to be doing your rugby exercise. Come on, all these children need to be following you. That's the way. Now keep listening out for the beeps. That's going to tell us when our exercise is done. There it is. Right, 45 seconds done, everyone. Into our next one. We now have to change exercises. So gladiators, we have to throw the ball. And rugby players, you have to do your atmosphere. Catch your breath. Go, go, go! Come on, rugby players! Throw your ball! Throw your ball! Lifting the heels! Come on, pass it on to the side! How are we doing, everybody? Which is the hardest one so far? The gladiator exercise or the rugby player exercise?
I'll break my bones, till all my scars bleed golden. My name's forever known.
Oh, can you hear the beeps? And rest. Okay. So that's our first challenge done and dusted. And I was watching you all then, and do you know what? I think us gladiators had that one then. But I will be truthful if I think the rugby players win the next one. Gotta make it fair, haven't we? In fact, I don't think it's fair for me to be the referee. I think Lomu needs to decide who won that one. Come here, Lomu. Who won that one, Lomu? Did gladiators win that round? Or did rugby players win that round? Yeah! Gladiators won that one. Hang on a minute, ready? Woo! Come on, gladiators, this is our celebratory dance. Another one bites the dust. Okay, so exercise number 2, we ready? So, gladiators, hands in the air. Good stuff. Okay, so our next exercise is called Danger Zone. Now, Danger Zone is the one where the gladiator has their gun and they're shooting little foam bullets at the contender at the top. But the contender has to move out of the way of the bullets as quickly as they can so that they don't get hit. So that's going to be our first move as gladiators. We're going to come over, over to the other side. 1, 2, over. So you've got to move out of the way really, really quickly. And if you can go faster and faster, as quick as you can. Rugby players, you have got cross knee lift. So watch Sirkin for your next move. So you're going to be driving the knee through and changing sides. Yeah? Are we all okay with our exercises so far? Let's press play and get moving. 45 seconds on the clock. Wait for your beeps. Off we go! Up, down, moving out of the way of the bullets. Or bringing the knee into the ball. Come on, gladiators, I want to win this next one as well. Up, down, catch your breath. And now we're going to switch. So rugby players, you're going to be doing your danger zone dodge with the bullets. And us lot are going to be doing the knee drives. Getting that ball across the field. Oh, can I use that one instead, Lomu? Oh, so you can beat me to it. Off we go! Come on, gladiators! We are bound to work harder than these rugby players. Changing legs. Come on, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Driving your hips forwards as you need the ball. Just try to do 10 on one side and 10 on the other.
Till all my scars bleed golden, my name's forever known.
I got second on the butt. Okay, time there. Everybody rest. How are we all feeling? Are we a bit sweaty? Are we a little bit out of breath? Yeah? Good, that's exactly what we want. Because we're going to take it into our third exercise. So, gladiators, are you ready? Oh, wait. We need to find out first who won that round. Lomo, drum roll please. Who won that one? Is it gladiators? Or is it rugby players? Oh. Gladiators, come on now, I told you, my team always wins. We need to start working harder in this next one. I can't bring out the foam finger now. Instead, I've got to play. This is the rugby players' winning song. But we don't want this one. We want another one bites the dust. Okay. So our third exercise. Are we all listening? So gladiators, we have got the vault. So the vault is that very last game on the eliminator. You know, where the referee goes, contender number 1, and then it's contender number 2. You will go on my second whistle. So the vault, I think Lomu finds that one quite funny. That's the bit where you've got the beam, and you've got to either jump up and over it, or you've got to get down and roll under it. But we're not going to be rolling around on the floor today. So we're going to be jumping up to go over the vault, and then dropping down in a squat to go under the vault. Have we all got that? So show me you know what I mean. So jump and squat. Jump and squat. Over and under. Well done, gladiators. Rugby players. Oh, this is the best part. This is the best one. You are going into a scrum. So, how many rugby players have we got in the rooms today? Who plays rugby in school? Anybody? Some of you maybe. So Serkan and Lomu were really keen to get into this scrum today. So Serkan, can you show everybody what you need to do to get into your scrum exercise? So the scrum exercise is going to be coming down to the floor, and then you're going to drive your knees forwards, just like this, one at a time, right, left, left. Now keep your butts down nice and low, and brace your bellies really tight. Are we all ready to accept this next challenge? Let's do it. On the beeps. Come on, gladiators, vault over, squat under, jump and drop. Do you know what? I haven't seen Lomu join in on these exercises yet. I think he needs to get in here for a little bit. Ha! Is this what they're calling a scrum these days? Come on, Sergen, get those knees in faster. Jump and drop. Gladiators, I think we're going to win this next one. Up and down, over and under. That's the way, Lomu. Well done, Lomu. Keep it up. Oh, quick, one more. Yeah. Okay, so now we need to switch exercises. So, rugby players, you're going to be doing the vault, where you jump up and drop down. And gladiators, we have got to do the scrum down on the floor. But it's okay, we've got this, no problem. Ready? Let's go! Knees in, butts down. And if you need to have a little rest, then you can just drop to... Yeah, Lomu's such a lazy liar and he loves having a rest, don't you, Lomu? You chill over there for fine. But if you do need a little rest, just keep your weight in your hands, keep your knees back and hold it there. Otherwise, keep moving! Come on, try, get in the scrum! We are going to gain possession of this ball, not the rugby players! Gladiators to victory! Woo! Are we puffing after that one, everybody? Oh, I think there's a lot of tired bodies in this room right now. How are we all feeling? Are we a little bit sweaty? Yeah? No! Is that thumbs down because we're not sweaty? Or is that thumbs down because we want more or we're not liking it? Well, see, if you're on my gladiator team and you're not liking it, then I'm not going to be happy if I don't win. Okay, so, another exercise. And this next one is our hang tough. So, gladiators, my team, hang tough. We're hanging from the ropes. We are swinging, trying to avoid the gladiator that's coming to tackle us. And we want to get to the platform on the other side. So, our exercise for hang tough is going to be a squat and a reach. A squat and a reach. Rugby players, you have got kick the ball. Say again, show us how you kick the ball, yeah? So you're going to pretend you've got your rugby ball and you're going to kick it into touch, yeah? Yes. And then, of course, once we've done each other's exercises, we're going to switch. So, last one, and then we're going to cool down. We'd have done 4 exercises, and then we need Lomu to decide overall who's the winner for today. Are we ready for this last one? Gladiators, are you ready? Rugby players, are you ready? Yeah, let's get going. Here we go. Well done. Okay, take your rest, everybody. We're gonna do each other's exercises. Lomo's running off with the giant rugby ball. I think he's excited to play a game. Where's Serkan gone? Oh, here he is. Okay, so gladiators, we have now got to do the kick the ball. And rugby players have to do hand tough. Take a couple more seconds rest. Here we go. Kick the ball. Give it to me, Lomo. That was a bit high. You've not got a very good aim, Lomo. Try it again. Ready? Give it to me. I think we nearly took Serkan out as well then. So we're going to kick the ball. Oh, I caught that one then. Oh, here we go, here we go. And changing legs. Swing it behind and then swing it through. Come on, let's get this ball through the posts. And stop. Okay. So, we have done 4 rounds each. And you know what? Just watching everybody, I'm gonna have to say, I think that was a bit of a draw. So, there's only one way to decide this, who's gonna be the winning team. And that is to do a tiebreaker. So we're gonna do one more round. Now, which gladiator game shall we play? I think I'll give you the choice. We can either do the pendulum, where we're gonna be swinging our legs side to side, or we're going to do the tilt. So the tilt is the one where they're on a platform and it's rocking side to side and forward and back. And we've got to try and simulate that move. So gladiators go side to side, and then we do a single leg deadlift where the arms come out, and we take one leg behind, bring it in, and then the other leg behind and bring it in. Now that's a bit of a tester for the brain as well. So let's see if we can remember that first. Arms come out, side to side, forwards and forwards. So that's going to be our tilt. So everybody, if you prefer to do the pendulum with the swinging legs, give me a thumbs up. Let me see who wants to do the pendulum. Okay, there's a couple of thumbs up there, but not everybody. So who wants to do the tilt? Oh, there's definitely a lot more thumbs and hands up on the tilt. So tilt it is. Okay, so rugby players, you're gonna get the choice. You either get to do a side shuffle, just like Serkan's doing, or you're gonna do a line-up throw. Show him, Serkan. So which one are we gonna go for, rugby players? Are we gonna go for the shuffle? Or are we going to go for the throw? Oh, I think it's going to have to be the shuffle by the looks of it. Everyone's shuffling side to side. Okay, so we've got gladiators. We are doing the tilt. And rugby players, you are doing the shuffle. Our last bit of work. And then Lomu is going to decide who the final winning team is. Gladiators, now it better be you lot. I want your best efforts on this one. Show me how strong your muscles are before we start. Come on, guns out. Which way to the beach? Okay, are we ready? 45 seconds, last bit of work. Let's do it. Wait for your beats. Gladiators, hands out, let's go. Side to side. Forwards and forwards. Rugby players, get side shuffling. Getting nice and low in the legs. I'm over concerned I'm about to kick Serkan. So as we take the legs out to the side, thinking about squeezing all the way down the side of your leg right here. Come on, rugby players, you can get lower than that. Right now my gladiators are gonna win, I think. And stop. Right, 30 seconds rest, and we have got the last bit of work. So changing exercises. My gladiators, we're now going to be doing the side shuffle. And rugby players, you're going to be doing your tilt game. Just a couple more seconds to catch your breath. Gladiators, we rugby players, get low in the legs. Let's go. Oh, Serkan's showing off now. He thinks he can do it with his rugby ball in his hand. Come on, 19, get down low. We've got 20 seconds left. That's it. 20 seconds of work. Okay. Woo! I don't know about you lot, but I am puffing and I am a sweaty Betty. Are you a bit sweaty, Serkan? Lobo, are you feeling a bit hot too? I know, with all that fur on as well, look. Okay, so, here we go. It's the deciding factor. Who is the final winners? Is it Team Gladiators? Or is it Team Rugby? Who do you think? Gladiators, yeah? No rugby? Lomu, let's make a decision. Who's the final winner? Whoa! I get to do my celebratory dance! Gladiators, do it with me! Here we go! Another one bites the dust! Yeah, give yourselves a clap, everybody! Do you know what? I think we're all winners here today. You've done an absolutely amazing job. Give yourselves